Find out about affiliate marketing and how it can work for you. Affiliate marketing is one of the more profitable home businesses that you can get involved with, but you are only going to make the profits that you dream of if you have the best information to build your business with. This video was written to help you make the most of your affiliate marketing business. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. Affiliate marketing begins with talking to a company that has products that you want to promote for a percentage of the sale. On most company sites, you will find that there is an affiliate link that will allow you to ask for permission to advertise for them. Since most companies do not have the time to properly talk about each of their products, they are usually very happy to pay a small percentage for the extra sales. Use ranking tools and software to research what works for your audience. Find out what ads and pages are gaining you customers. If a particular ad is not sending any traffic to your affiliate, then get rid of it and try something new. Affiliate marketing requires constant tweaking to get to maximum effectiveness. When affiliate marketing, include as many examples of the products you are trying to promote. Create videos, screenshots, or any other way to demonstrate that the product does what it is claiming to do. Be very specific when describing, explaining, or reviewing each product you are linking to. It will encourage people to make the purchase. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. Use the information that you have learned from this video to build an affiliate marketing business that brings in the profits that you dreamed of. You are sure to benefit from all of the tips and information that are included. Take them and make your business grow to be what you want it to be. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.